Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to lock or unlock your Gorenje oven in 2026. So first of all you need to start by looking at your oven's control panel. On most of the Gorenje ovens, the child lock feature is controlled through the lock button or sometimes it is the light button depending on your model. So in order to basically lock it, what you need to do is you need to simply press and hold this light button and then you need to hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds. And what this is going to do is it is going to basically lock the oven. And in order to basically determine whether it is locked or not, you are going to see the LOC button or a clear message that would say lock. It means that it is locked successfully. Now, in order to unlock it, you just have to simply press and hold the same light button for at least 3 to 5 seconds, and the icon or the LOC message should disappear, which means that the controls will become responsive again. So some of the Gorenje models use a different model, so you can try holding the two outer touch buttons below the display for a few seconds, or you can stop any of the active cooking program before attempting to unlock the controls again. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thank you.